introduction of the paper. So it can explain the whole what is going on in this paper. So on the basis of this title, it recommend me further 19 articles. This paper includes 77 reference. So contribution into institute is also telling me and what related topic, also suggesting me that there is another related topic to your research interest. So once I decided this paper is more relevant to my research interest, I select DOI. The paper, the link of the paper is open. So I save this. I can save this in my Scyspace library, or I can download it for my reading into the EndNote. So this is the window once you open it. So you can write the question in this window. What you can do with this? You can find the literature review. You can chat with your PDF paper. You can talk to paper with AI Copilot. You can paraphrase your text. So these are the main feature of this Scyspace. You can do it. You can find the relevant literature. You can talk with your paper. You can chat with your paper. You can generate citation based on your research paper. You can paraphrase. If you have write a summary of your thought, and you see that this may be a plagiarize, so maybe you have to rewrite it. So you can use a paraphrase feature of the Scyspace. So you have another feature that is AI detector. So you can check either your content is AI generated or not. So you have a lot of feature from the Scyspace, from searching to the detection. So you can also download the extension for your Chrome. Once you start searching, the Scyspace is already open. So you can work in your window without going to the Scyspace web link. So there are many other AI-based search engines relevant to Scyspace. Scyspace, I must tell you, Scyspace is free, freemium, premium. So you can use it for free as a free tool for a particular searches. So it's a totally free, not a totally free for a upgrade version. For example, AI detector or paraphrase, you have to purchase their plan. But for the finding particular literature and get enhanced and filtered result, you can get their premium plan. But for the initial search, this is a totally free tool to utilize. So side concepts, art discovery, selling semantic scholar, these maybe are paid tools, or most of the are free tools. So these are related to the Scyspace, which can help you to find out the relevant research paper to your topic. And these are citation based and AI based. So if you don't like Scyspace, you can go to the other AI based tool to get your relevant research papers. So what next? What next means you have a literature of your topic. Now you have a paper. So how will you organize your research paper collection? And how will you take notes on the particular paper? So the older approach, we usually take that we have a handwritten notes. We we just note down and we use highlighter to highlight these lines are very important and these lines are very important and these lines are, we make a folder in our computer to for the separate library. But for instance, I am going to introduce you Tarot. These are free reference manager tool that can easily download on your desktop and can easily accessible from your website. So this is a free management tool. You don't have to pay them. just go onto their site and download your Zotero application. You can download Chrome extension. You can download your MS Word extension. When you open the Zotero window, this is how you will see the image. So this is explaining the whole feature what Zotero have. So if you have a Zotero window open uh, in your desktop, so let me explain to you step by step. So at the first step, you can create a new collection. So you can create a group of your related topic. For example, you divided your research topic A, B, and C. You can create a different groups based on the ABC. So these are the collections. These are all your collection, which they have a papers. So these are the groups which you can introduce your related to research topic. This is a R feed and this is a tag shorter tag. If you select this paper, you see that these are the tag that related to this paper. So these are whole library collection. So from here you can add new collection. You can add item by identifier. From example, you can find the relevant paper from there and add this paper to your reference manager. You can start new note. You can attach this Zotero library to your Word file so you can have access direct to your reference from your Word file. So you can advance this research. This is a basic filter search. You can find the relevant information from this paper from there. So you can add it command. You can then locate the item where there is a present and you can synchronize with your MS Word. So this item metadata, this is a collection content, this is a library collection. So how will you take the note with Zotero? So I'll explain you in this window. Once you open the Zotero window, you open the paper and you see this type of the window here. Double click on the Zotero, then double click on the PDF to open the PDF, and this type of the window will be open. So when this type of the window will be open, you can say the next window is type not here. So once what you have done, you open the window from the one side in the paper, in the second side, you have a note taking application is open where you can write all the relevant information or all the relevant information that you extract from the PDF, you can write there. So simultaneously, your thought is organized. You can take the information and these notes will be attached to the specific paper. Once whenever you close your research paper or your PDF, you can select the note and read it that what type of information you get from this paper and what kind of information these paper are explaining to you. So these Zotero not only work as a reference manager, but also a note-taking app, how to organize your notes related to your paper. Once you get the relevant information, write down in the notebook, and that notebook will be attached to particular research paper. If you don't have time to read research paper again, open your notes and read it. You can get the relevant information. So there are many reference manager available in the in the AI market. For example, EndNote, Mendeley, Zotero. These are all freely available tools, but Zotero is a completely free tool, and you can get all their feature free of cost. EndNote and Mendeley are somehow to purchase uh, their premium plan to upgrade the storage quality, or you have to download them for using it. So nowadays, recently and not upgraded, their software. They introduced the extension to download their extensions like similarly Zotero to use directly into your web link or your search engine. But Zotero is more prominent and more completely featured compared to the EndNote and Mendeley. So these are the basic feature how the EndNote and Mendeley and Scenario different from each other. How will you identify or map or find the relevant paper based on the first paper? So this type of the searching can help you to move forward. So you build up your narrative, build up your research mapping tool or research survey. You have to use a let map or AI-based search engine to develop this narrative, this question. So let map how will help you.